Well, gotta do a boost leak test now. Took it for a quick little drive. Seems to be okay, but I haven't done a boost leak test yet. So, gotta do that next. Pull this off. Well, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, huge leak. Coupler. Alright, well, let's start with that one. We'll line up. Fill up my turbo there, the one that I'm testing right now off of. Got FIC injectors, anti-lag, got the spark gapula right there, you know, the local crew. Gotta have the ECM tuning, Extreme PSI, buy most of my parts from them. I like this little set here I got. This orange. Oh, wait, blue. Which one I got? Tighten it down a little bit, see if that helps. I don't know if it's just loose, completely off of it. I feel like it's on it pretty good. Try again. Little leak here. Oh, yep, this coupler. I need a deep. No, I feel like it's stripping. Hopefully not. Still got the pressure in there, which is good. I hear it leaking out a little bit somewhere, but maybe past the valves. No, I was worried about this, but I haven't heard a peep out of any of this, any of the new stuff. So that's good. Let's see. I want to try to get it up at 30, since that's what boost I'm trying to run. Still right here. Just barely, but I shouldn't have to go that way. I got something to do with the paint on there. I'm going to take that off and reposition it, because it's still... No, I didn't put anything on here. Or here. I'm playing off pretty slow. That's not bad. A little bit right here. Split hose, or is it just a shit connection? You know what? We're not going to need zip ties. That is on there. I'm worried about that one. I hear something back here too. Aha. Map sensor. Is it the hose or the map sensor itself? I think it's the map. I guess it's just that hose. Now we gotta fix this hose is, I'm not sure where I got it, but it's pretty flimsy and it's kind of drying out. I think that's
the problem I had with the other one. This one's a lot more heavy duty, a little bit smaller. Hopefully I get the enough signal there. I guess it'll be all right. That. That. Okay, this is leaking, but that's not leaking. That's not leaking. That's not leaking. I hear a little bit down here, but fairly certain it's coming from that. 21. I'm happy with that. Not too bad.